Today, we will discuss about some important abbreviation related to the medical laboratory, particularly related to the quality control. Now, quality that is most important part for the medical laboratory, whether it is government, private or any particular field, whether it is pathology, microbiology or biochemistry. So, some important abbreviation that we will look. So most important that is NABL, that is National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration of Laboratory. Nowadays most of the laboratory are NABL accredited. Along with that laboratory, that hospital is also accredited and that is with the NABH. So National Accreditation Board for Hospital and Healthcare Provider, that is called NABH. IQC, that is called Internal Quality Control. EQAS, that is called External Quality Assurance Scheme. So IQC, EQAS, that is both running most of the medical laboratory for checking of that quality of the testing. Further, CLIA, that is Clinical Laboratory Improvement Amendments. So particularly these amendments are generally done in 1988. So sometime it is written as a CLIA 88, that is called Clinical Laboratory Improvement Amendment done in a 1988. These all are the some important abbreviation because frequently asked in the viva exam as well as for the some particular interviews. Okay, further in this important abbreviation, SOP means standard operating procedure, WDI means work desk instruction, LJ chart means Levy Jennings chart, ICMR, so that is Indian Council of Medical Research, IUBMB, that is International Union of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology, OSA, that is Occupational Safety and Health Administration. Further, in this abbreviation, ILAC, that is International Laboratory Accreditation Cooperation, NC, that is American National Standard Institute. Further, CDC, that is also commonly utilized for the medical terminology, that is Center for Disease Control and Prevention. ISO, that is International Organization for Standardization. CLSI, that is Clinical and Laboratory Standard Institute. Further, among that international institute, the mutual recognition is done with the help of MRA, that is called a mutual recognition arrangement. So that is also applicable for the TIC, means testing, inspection and certification by that international organization. So international organization like ILAC and APLAC. APLAC means Asia Pacific Laboratory Accreditation Cooperation. Further in QC, some important other abbreviation like PDCA, that is applicable to most of the institute as well as for the corporate sector, that is PDCA, that is for the improvement of the quality or to check the quality. So PDCA means plan, do, check, act. Sometimes it is also called a plan, do, check and adjust. For the QCI, for the Quality Council of India. LIMS, that is applied to the major laboratory to interconnect with the various systems. So that is called Laboratory Information Management System. Sometimes it is written as a LIS, that is Laboratory Information System, LMS, that is Laboratory Management System. All are software-based solutions that support a modern laboratory's operation in a smooth and quick manner. Further, in this abbreviation, SD, that is standard deviation from the mean, so that is called SD, or sometimes it is called SDI, that is standard deviation index. Further, in this quality control, TQM, that is total quality management. So that's all about some important abbreviation related to the quality control in the medical laboratory.